Oh boy. Shop looks better. 4runners together, kinda. Table's bare. That's a good sign, huh, fellers? Check it out. We're working on shift replacements, driver seating placement, and then we're going to start scabbing exhaust and wiring. Because this thing's living in its home. That's where she's going to live. Headers are tight. We'll do a little ball peening on that one. It should be good. Gonna move this around so it's more happy with the stereo when it's in gear, and make it feel good for the driver. And then finish out the wiring for it, and then cross member, adapter, transfer case, and there's my mount. So I decided to tie the back of the trans in to the cross member and then also tie it to the bottom of the transfer case, just because it was so stinking long. I didn't feel like that just leaving these 4 out here would be good, or just using the 2 back there would be good. So I put 6 in it and then used it's a Jeep TJ transmission mount. It's one of the biggest ones you can get on the market. But there she is, sitting there on her own weight. She's all raked out like a hot rod right now because I got the front end down and the rear end still lifted. But we've got the box for the lift kit sitting right over here, and shocks are over there. So hopefully we can wrap up shift replacement and seat location. Get the wiring harness out, and we'll put a blanket down. We'll just lay it on the floor so we can crawl around like a game of Twister. And then what's the other thing I was just talking about? Lift kit. I can tear all the front end off, put a lift kit on it. Lots and lots of struggles went into this one, and it took a lot of endurance and willpower on my part, and I'm proud to say that there it is. We're back on track, and I can finally move on to the next step. So, appreciate the hell out of you guys. Appreciate the hell out of the patience by the client and all of the followers and excitement. This thing is going to be super rad. I can't wait. Talk to you guys very soon. Y'all take care.